Hey there everybody, it's Tracy from teachmetracy.com. We are talking about the top 10 YouTube channels for your homeschool program. We're doing a bit of car casting today because, as every homeschool mom knows, sometimes we have to get stuff done in our car when we are waiting on our kids to finish whatever they're doing inside the building. So today I'm going to give you the first 5 and a brief description of each that we use in our homeschool program. And I would encourage you to incorporate some of these YouTube videos in your homeschool program, even if you're someone who doesn't like to use screens or doesn't like their kids to stay on screens, simply because they do a great job of presenting information in a fun and engaging way. And you want kids to be more engaged with the things that they're learning because it increases their chances that they're going to remember it. So give these YouTube channels a whirl. I promise your kids are going to love them, and it's going to help you reinforce some of the things that you're already teaching. These are in no particular order. I just kind of jotted them down as I was thinking of them, and we're just going to go through 5 of them really quick, and then next week we'll do the last 5. The first one that we like, and this is a fun one, it's called TED Ed, and this will run you from a pre-K to about 5th grade. Let me give you some examples of our most favorite videos, and we come back to these time and time again, even if we're not on the subject, because they are entertaining. For example, they have a video on there called The History of the World According to Cats. Fun stuff. It talks about how cats were instrumental in helping support soldiers during various wars. Another one talks about the most painful insect sting. It was a cool video. Here's one for all the boys. The bug that poops candy. So all of those are examples of things that you can find on TED Ed. The second one that we use quite a bit is called Homeschool Pop. And again, this one ranges from about pre-K to about 5th grade. So there's a ton of videos on there. There's fun facts on there. They do music, they do math, they do science on there. So there's quite a few videos on there. So check it out. You'll love all of these videos, I promise. They're not very long, so they're bite-sized information in a fun way. Number 3 is Number Rock. And this is primarily a math channel, and it is from pre-K to 6th grade. And we love this channel. Eric absolutely adores math. So he is on these math channels constantly. And so these are little songs that help your student remember facts about math that can help them solve fraction problems. It helps them with time. It helps them remember multiplication. It helps them with subtraction, addition. I mean, you name it with math, it's on there. This goes all the way up to 6th grade. The 4th one that we watch constantly at home is Number Blocks. And Number Blocks is also on Netflix, so I'm sure some of you have already seen Number Blocks. But if your kids aren't watching it, I would encourage you, especially if they're having problems with math fundamentals. We started watching this when Eric was probably 3 or 4, and it helped tremendously with his math fluency. They do things on that channel. They do patterns, they do multiplication, they do number bonds, they talk about fractions. There's all kinds of things. And again, these videos are not more than 5 minutes, and there are 6 seasons now on Netflix, so you can get them there, and you can also get them on YouTube. And the last one we're going to talk about today is number 5, and that is Cool School. This is a really neat channel for fairy tales, animated stories, all kinds of stories on there. From past ones, nursery rhymes, fairy tales. It's really nice how they animate all of these stories and bring them to life. There's also some social studies types of videos on there where they're talking about different holidays and things like that. So your kids will really enjoy this channel also. Give these channels a whirl, and you'll be amazed at how much information your kids are actually retaining and learning from these videos. Give them a try. What's the worst that can happen? They don't like the video, you don't go back. I'd love to know what channels you guys use in your homeschool. I always love to know what everyone else is doing, and I'm always looking to add things to our homeschool program. So let me know in the comments below. I would appreciate it. Also, don't forget, go to my website, teachmetracy.com, and join the Facebook group. I promise we won't spam you. It's just for support and chatting back and forth with other homeschool parents. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.